Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson today is repeated multiplication. Two times 3 means 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be equal 6. This is called repeated addition. But 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 will be equal 8, and this is called repeated multiplication. As we said that 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. We have to know that 2 here is called base and 3 is called exponent or index or power. 2 to the third power or 2 to the power 3. Now how to read the repeated multiplication? Here we can read it by 3 to the 5th power or 3 to the power 5. Also here you can read it by two ways, 10 to the 6th power or 10 to the power 6. Also here we can read it by 9 to the 2nd power or 9 to the power 2. That means the square of 9. Here we can read it by 7 to the 3rd power or 7 to the power 3. That means the cube of 7. Repeated multiplication is not commutative. That means 2 power 5 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equal 32. But 5 power 2 means 5 times 5 equal 25. So 2 power 5 is not equal to 5 power 2. Whole number exponents. Here we have x power a means x times x times x times x and so on. And a here is the times of x. For example, 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. Remarks: any number of the first power is that number itself. For example, 7 power 1 equal 7 and negative 4 power 1 equal negative 4. That means a power 1 equal a. Number 2, any number except 0 to the 0 power is 1. For example, 7 power 0 equal 1 and negative 3 power 0 also equal 1. So we can say that a power 0 equal 1. If the base is 1 and n belong to z, that means 1 power n equal 1. For example, 1 power 6 equal 1, and also 1 power 10 equal 1. So 1 power n equal 1. Number 2, if a belongs to z and n also belong to z positive, then negative a power n will be equal a power n if n is even, and equal negative a between brackets power n if n is odd. For example, negative 4 power 3 equal negative and 4 between brackets power 3, and negative 3 power 2 equal 3 power 2. Now complete the table. Here we have negative 1 and the square of the number. That means negative 1 power 2 will be equal 1 power 2 equal 1. In the second one, we have the cube of the number. That means negative 1 power 3 will be equal negative, and 1 between brackets power 3 will be equal negative 1. And the fifth power of the number will be equal negative 1 whole power 5 will be equal negative, and 1 between brackets power 5 equal negative 1. Number 3, we have 3 power 2 equal 3 times 3 equal 9, and the cube of the number will be equal 3 power 3 equal 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27, and the fifth power of the number, so 3 power 5 will be equal 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 will be equal 243. The last one, negative 4, the square of the number will be equal negative 4 power 2 equal 4 power 2 will be equal 4 times 4 equal 16. And the cube of the number will be equal negative 4 power 3 equal negative, and 4 between brackets power 3 equal negative 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 equal negative 64. And the fifth power of the number will be equal negative 4 power 5 equal negative, and 4 between brackets power 5 equal negative 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 equal negative 1024.
Now find the value of each of the following. Negative 7 all power 2 equal 7 power 2 because the power here is even. Equal 7 times 7 equal 49. And you can check your answer by using your calculator. And this is the bottom of power. You will write the base and write the power. In number B, we have negative 5 all power 2 multiplying by 2 power 2 will be equal 5 power 2 multiplying by 2 power 2 equal 25 times 4 equal 100. Now find the value of each of the following. Negative 2 all power 4 plus negative 3 all power 3 equal 2 power 4 plus negative 3 power 3 will be equal 2 power 4 repeated 4 times, and negative 3 power 3 will be repeated 3 times. Then find the answer of each one to be 16 minus 27 equal negative 11. The second one, negative 1 all power 100 plus negative 1 all power 101 will be equal 1 power 100 plus negative 1 power 101 to be 1 minus 1 equal 0.